Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to stabilize shaky videos using CapCut. Let's dive right in. First, open up the CapCut app on your phone. And once you are on CapCut, select the video you wanted to stabilize from a gallery. And once your video is loaded, you will see it on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on your video clip in the timeline to bring up the editing options. And now, scroll through the menu until you find the Stabilize option. And once you find it, tap on it. CapCut will give you a few choices depending on how much stabilization you need. For most videos, the minimal cropping is enough. But you can experiment with different levels if needed. And personally, if you ask me, so I will set it to the recommended option. And once done, tap on the check mark. After the stabilization is applied, you can preview your video by pressing the play button. Simply tap on the export button at the top right corner. And that's it. You have successfully stabilized your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.